Friends, this is Dr. Sajad Mani and the topic of today's video is the very important topic जिसके बारे में सभी कैंडिडेट्स पूछ रहे हैं, सभी स्टूडेंट्स पूछ रहे हैं, सर व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ अमेंडमेंट्स टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. दिस इज द आंसर टू ऑल योर क्वारीज. द J&K 34th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2018. This is the latest amendment. अब स्टार्ट करेंगे. The total number of amendments to the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir till date, that is on 25th April 2018, is 34 amendments. So these amendment acts were a result of 37 constitutional amendment bills. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए that a bill which is introduced in the legislature and is finally passed by the legislature, which receives the assent of the governor at the state level and president at the central level, it becomes an act. That means a bill which is passed and which gets the assent of the president or the governor becomes an act. लेकिन हर एक बिल पास नहीं होती. When a bill is introduced, it is given a number. So the first constitutional amendment बिल, उसके बाद सेकंड, ऐसे 37 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बिल्स वर प्रपोज्ड. लेकिन इनमें से ओनली 34 वर एबल टू बिकम acts. That means only 34 were passed which received the assent of the governor in Jammu and Kashmir state. That means 37 amendment bills were proposed but only 34 bills became acts. That means we have 34 amendment acts at present. The 34th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2018 of Jammu and Kashmir, it was introduced in Legislative Assembly as the 37th Constitutional Amendment Bill of 2018. जैसा कि आपने सेक्शन 147 में पढ़ा होगा in my separate video that the Constitutional Amendment Bill in case of Jammu and Kashmir state is only introduced in the Legislative Assembly. उसके बाद आगे चलेंगे. एंड द बिल वाज पास्ड बाय द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर ऑन 12 फरवरी 2018. पहले लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में, उसके बाद लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल ने इसको पास किया ऑन 12 फेब 2018. इसको कैसे पास किया ये भी मैंने सेपरेट वीडियो में बताया आपको. इट इज पास्ड बाय 2/3 मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टोटल मेंबरशिप ऑफ हाउस इन केस ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. अगर हम इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात करेंगे तो वहां पे बिल किसी भी हाउस में इंट्रोड्यूस हो सकती है और इट इज टू बी पास्ड बाय स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी. हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट बिल की बात कर रहे हैं. आगे चलेंगे. एंड द बिल रिसीव्ड द असेंट ऑफ द गवर्नर ऑन 6 मार्च 2018. तो जिस दिन बिल को गवर्नर के असेंट मिलता है उसी दिन ये बिल एक्ट बन जाती है. तो ऑन 6 मार्च 2018 इट बिकेम द 34th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट ऑफ 2018. सो बट द इफेक्ट ऑफ द एक्ट वाज गिवन फ्रॉम 1/1/2016. कभी कभी रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव इफेक्ट भी दिया जाता है कुछ लॉज को, कुछ एक्ट्स को. आगे चलेंगे. इस बिल का पर्पस क्या था? इट अमेंडेड द 4th शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. आपको ऑलरेडी पता है दैट द 4th शेड्यूल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इट provides us the information about the salary of judges of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. It amended the 4th schedule. तो इसमें क्या हुआ? It increased the salaries of High Court judges. Chief Justice of J&K High Court, his salary was increased from 90,000 to 2,50,000, and the judges of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, their salaries were increased from 80,000 to 2,25,000. I am talking only about the basic salary. It is not the total salary. तो आगे चलेंगे. This is the original copy of the Amendment Act. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी that the Amendment Act it is published in the Jammu and Kashmir Government Gazette. उसके बाद this is the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir 34th Amendment Act of 2018. This is the date of the act, that is 6th March 2018, and this is the short title, that is 34th Amendment Act of 2018. उसके बाद it became effective from 1st Jan 2018. उसके बाद यहाँ it amended the 4th schedule जहाँ पे 90,000 the words 90,000 and figures were replaced by 2,50,000, and the figures and words of 80,000 they were replaced by 2,25,000. And finally it receives the sign of the Special Secretary to the Government, Department of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs. This was the 34th Constitutional Amendment Act of Jammu and Kashmir Constitution इसके बारे में मैं एक फिर से इसको रिवाइज करूंगा आपके लिए. टिल डेट 37 bills were proposed, only 34 amendments were made, and this 34th amendment act, it was introduced as 37th constitutional amendment bill of 2018 in the legislative assembly, and it was passed on 12th Feb 2018 by state legislature by two-third majority of the total membership office, and it received the assent of the governor on 6th March 2018, and it became an act. तो इसके बाद मैंने बोला it became effective from 1st Jan 2018. 2016 इसका मतलब क्या है? That means उनकी जो ये सैलरी है जो इंक्रीज हो गई, इसको हम इफेक्ट देंगे 1 जनवरी 2016 से. मीन जो उन्होंने सैलरी ली है और जो सैलरी अब फिक्स करेंगे ऑन 1 जनवरी 2016 एट द रेट ऑफ 2.5 लाख और 2,25,000. फिर हम देखेंगे डिफरेंस क्या है. जो उनकी डिफरेंस होगी दैट विल बी टेकन एज एरियर्स, उनको इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एरियर्स मिलेंगे. And it amended the fourth schedule of the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir. Salaries were raised to 2.50 lakh in case of Chief Justice and 2.25 lakh in case of other judges of High Court. So if you have any queries, you can mail me on sajadwani657@gmail. You can visit my Facebook Genesis Academy, my Facebook profile Sajadwani, Instagram Dr. Sajadwani, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel Genesis Academy by Dr. Sajadwani. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.